Once you have asked, come back and get your water pitcher. This is called water pitcher. How do you serve your warm water or ice water? Alright, your hand should be on behind, and then, excuse me, alright, so you serve back to the ladies, right? Remember the first ladies, okay? Excuse me, ma'am. On your right side, pour your drinks. Okay? Do not do it like this. Excuse me. No. This is a no-no. You understand me? I don't want to see you all pick up this one and just put. Unless for banquet table, that is okay. Because that one is for 10 person, might be quite hard for you to pour the drinks. For normal tables, 4 tables, bring your water pitcher. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, cold water for you. Right? And then go to the next one. Okay, so the water pitcher will have warm water and also cold water lah. So for cold water, you only take the warm water, the one for cold water. Okay, clear?